Barry Venning.
One of Turner's most extreme paintings is an extraordinary picture shown in 1842 with the very lengthy title, Snowstorm, Steamboat off a harbour's mouth, making signals in shallow water and going by the lead. The author was in this storm the night the Ariel left Harwich. The title has a kind of documentary precision to it that's lacking in the picture. And Turner claimed in conversation with a friend that he had actually witnessed just such a storm and even had himself lashed to the mast of a vessel for several hours in order to witness it. And he said, "I did not expect to escape with my life, but if I did escape, I felt bound to record it." Now, it is highly implausible that a man in poor health who's 67 years old is actually going to survive 4 hours lashed to the mast in a snowstorm. He would have died of exposure, and I think it's generally regarded by all but the most romantic admirers of Turner that this story was fabricated by the artist himself. If we ask why Turner told such an exaggerated lie about the work, I think it's partly because what he was really trying to express in that picture was the subjective experience of being in such a storm. The picture, the lie he told, the long title, is his way of somehow underwriting the authenticity of his experience of the sea.